Hi guys, I am back, and I am back with a little quick craft that I made. As you can see here, they are two little photo albums, and I didn't do a tutorial, but I'm going to walk you through really quick as to how I made these. You can get these little plastic photo covers right here. They look just like this. I get them from Walmart. I think they're like $1 and something a piece, or maybe even 96 cents. I can't remember. And they're really easy. This is how they look in the store. The insert comes in like lots of different colors. But I think they're like 96 or 97 cents, something like that, per pack. I picked up the ones that are in packs of 4. And this is what the inside looks like, and they're made to hold 4x6 photos, as you can see. Real simple, nothing fancy, but I figured that and always bringing new products to my shop, I figured that people can use these to display their little 4x6 photos, but a lot of people don't want to take the time to decorate, or don't know how to decorate a photo album. So I bought a bunch of these, and these are the 2 themes that I started with first that will be in my shop today. The first one is a Witches and Wizards Harry Potter themed photo album, and the paper is from the Witches and Wizards, that is a tongue twister, by Echo Park. So that's what this is, and this paper collection has been out for a while. I just got around to just now using it, so that's what that is. And then this one here is a collection of different paper collections cobbled together. It is all the magical adventure, the Disneyland inspired paper that Echo Park has. So they have I want to say about 3. I know there's Magical Adventure 2, and then they have 2 others with very similar names. So I just literally, I had some 6x6 paper pads, and I also had some 12x12 individual sheets from these collections, because I've made lots of scrapbooks and things from this particular collection over the years. So I just used what I had left. And then let me just show you really quickly. So with the Witches and Wizard theme one, I just took out these, and they come out really simple. There's a little slit, and you can just pull it out, and then you're just left with the clear sleeve. So all I did was take some 12x12 cardstock. This is the 6x6 paper pad, and this is the 6x6 paper pad, and I cut it down. This is about 4.5 by 6 1/8, so that's what this main paper size is. And then I just cut these down and staggered them. All of these stickers are from the sticker sheet that comes with the collection, and then this and this comes in the I can't never say it right, guys. The ethereal pack that they have available. They have 2. They have one that has labels and tags, and then they have one that just has die cuts and things like that. So that's where this came from, and I just layered it up, and then when you're done, you just slide it in here. And because their paper is double-sided, you don't have to worry about decorating the back. So you have your cover. I did something very similar with the back. Instead of layering it up a whole bunch because it's the back, I just took a piece of the 12x12 and a sticker from the sticker sheet, and then I just slid it in, and now you have your front and your back cover. These hold, let me count the pages, because I didn't count the pages. I just decorated them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 double-sided pages, which means you can fit 24 4x6 photos in this little photo album. They will have to be cropped down just a little bit because of the decorative paper I have in here. So let me just walk you through. So what I did was I cut each sheet, because the front and the back cover is bigger. The pocket itself is actually 4x6. So I cut each sheet 1/8 of an inch on the height, and the width smaller to slide right into the pocket. So that's how I made those. And then I decorated a couple of the pockets with some of the cardstock pieces and some of the sticker pieces from the collection. So for this, I used the 6x6 paper pad, and basically because it's 24 sheets and most paper pads are 24, I killed literally a whole 6x6 paper pad. So this is a great way to use your paper pads if you have a whole bunch of 6x6 laying around and you don't know what to do with them. They make great gifts, and literally you just cut them down, like I said, by 1/8 smaller than 4x6, and it will slide perfectly in. And as you can see, it's a really cute, and I did and I just used tape. I didn't glue these down. I just used the stickers that have the sticky back, and then I just used some regular ATG tape to tape these down. So you can take them off and move them how you want. They're not permanent. And it's a very cute way to display photos very easily, and a really cute gift for someone who's not a crafter. So that's why I like these. And then I'll be making more different themes. It's just that Harry Potter and Mickey Disneyland are very popular themes, period. So that's why I went with these two in my shop. So that's the Witches and Wizards one, and then here is the Mickey one. And I actually made two of these because I had so much paper of this collection. So these are exactly the same. The only thing that is slightly different between these two are some of the stickers may be different because I didn't have doubles for both. But both of these are going in the shop under the same listing. The listing will be in the description box down below. The papers, the fronts, the backs, they're exactly the same. It's just that probably I want to say maybe 4 or 5 stickers in the inside are different, but everything else is completely the same. So here is the front, and as you can see, I just took one 12x12 piece of paper. I took a 3x4 journaling card, and I cut down a 12x12 solid color coordinating sheet to fit behind this. This here is a glossy sticker that I created on my Silhouette Cameo. So is the Mickey, the little star, and the little cheese sticker. They come on the sticker collection, specifically the Magic Adventure by Echo Park. That's where these stickers came from. These two I just got off the internet, and that's what the back looks like. And then here is what the inside of the album looks like. This is a sticker I created because I have this same collection in digital form. You guys know I've said before, if you watch more than one of my videos, I love snapclicksupply.com. That's where I got the digital collection from. So that's how I was able to make these glossy stickers. And this here is mainly pages from the 12x12 paper collection that I cut down. Here is another glossy sticker I made. Here is a little M, and this little M matches the M on front. It's just a different color. This is another sticker I created. These are from the sticker sheet. I created that one. This one as well. And as you can see, all of Echo Park's Disneyland, I should say, related paper collections, they all use the same colors exactly. So you can mix and match the sets, because like I said, this is from 3 different sets: Magic Adventure 1, Magic Adventure 2, and I can't think of the third one, but if you go to snapclicksupply.com, you'll see all of them, and you can mix and match when you print them out from your computer, the different sets, and they all coordinate with one another. This is from the sticker sheet. I created this one. And these are the solid color cardstock. So if you buy the collection instead of, excuse me guys, if you buy the collection instead of working with the digital one, it does come with solid color cardstock. So I had some extra around. So here's the red. Here's that mustard yellow color. This is another sticker that I created, and then here is that blue color, and then here is another Mickey sticker that I created on my Silhouette. This is the back of it, and that's what the back looks like. And I love Echo Park because, like I said, all of their paper is double-sided, so you can literally use 6 sheets of a 12 by 12, and then you just cut them down to the size I stated before, and then you will have more than enough paper to fit these little photo albums. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and I know some of you guys asked for tutorials, but right now I'm just a little too busy with my schedule to make a tutorial. So I figured this was a really cute craft, quick craft as I like to call it, and it's was really something easy for me to explain, to show you guys how to do it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below, and then when I get a chance I will respond to them. If you're not sure about the measurements or anything like that, I haven't seen these little photo albums in Target. I've only seen them in Walmart, and I know they have them on walmart.com if you want to buy them in bulk. But like I said, it's a really cheap craft. It basically costs you the cost of the photo album itself, which is around $1, and then whatever literally paper collections you have on hand plus your time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye bye.